Good morning, students. Welcome again to science class. Hope you all have finished your work that I had sent you last week on the group. So, without further ado, let's start the chapter Adaptation in Plants. Adaptation in plants. Adaptation in animals is also there, but first we'll do this chapter, adaptation in plants. Okay, first of all, let us understand the meaning of adaptation. What is adaptation? Adaptation means to adapt something, to take something, or some change is there. State of changing to suit a new situation. Understood? So first of all, I think this chapter will be little bit new for you. So I'll make you understand the definitions that will come in this chapter, new terms that are going to come in this chapter. Let us go through them first so that you are easily able to understand this chapter. Okay, children? Okay, now take out this page number 43. We'll read all the definitions, new words. Habitat. What is a habitat? Habitat is the natural surrounding in which a plant lives. The natural surrounding, the place where a plant lives, that is its habitat. Understood? Adaptation. Adaptation means the special features in a plant's body that allow it to survive in its habitat. Means some special features are there in the plants, in various plants, which allow them to survive in the habitat. Aquatic plants. What are aquatic plants? That live in water. You might have studied about them in previous class. Aquatic plants, aquatic animals. Have you learned about them? Okay. Terrestrial plants. Plants that grow on land. Evergreen plants. Plants that do not shed off their leaves together. Okay. Evergreen plants means the plants which remain green forever. They do not shed their leaves. Deciduous plants. Plants that shed off their leaves in winters. Clear? Deciduous plants are the plants which shed off their leaves in winters. Okay? So learn all these definitions. These will come in your exam also. Is it clear to you? I think you might have understood about the lesson from these definition what we are going to study in the chapter. Okay, children, there are many kinds of plants. Different plants and animals live in different surroundings. The surroundings where an organism live is called its habitat. Characteristics of the plants vary depending upon their respective habitats. The plant where it is living, its characteristics will depend on that. The presence of specific features or certain habits which enable a plant or animal to live in its surroundings is called adaptation. Is it clear to you? What is adaptation? I think now you have understood about the adaptation. Now you have to recognize these plants. These plants are, this is pine. See the kind of leaves it is having. It grows in cold environment or cold forests. Cold climatic conditions you can say. Coconut, it grows in coastal areas near the sea where water is there. Mango, mango on land, it grows on land, plains. Clear? Now let us read the chapter. He